If Steam is showing an error message and you want a quick fix, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple solution that often clears up common Steam problems in just a few steps. We're going to change the download region, clear the download cache, and restart Steam so the app can refresh its connection and settings. This is a great first fix if Steam is stuck, glitching, not downloading properly, or showing an unexpected error message. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, go to the top left corner and click Steam. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is where you'll find the options we need to reset part of Steam's network and download behavior. Inside Settings, look for the Download section and click it. Now find the Download region setting. This is important because Steam uses your selected region to connect to nearby download servers, and sometimes the wrong region or a temporary server issue can cause error messages. Click the Download region drop-down and choose a different region that is close to you, or simply switch to another nearby server to test a more stable connection. After that, scroll a little further if needed and click Clear Download Cache. Steam will usually ask you to confirm this action because it will sign you out and refresh cached download data. Go ahead and confirm it. Clearing the cache can fix corrupted temporary files that may be causing the error message in the first place. Once that finishes, fully restart Steam. If Steam doesn't close on its own, make sure it is completely shut down and then reopen it from your desktop or start menu. After relaunching Steam, sign back in if needed and check whether the error message is gone. In many cases, this simple process fixes download problems, connection issues, and other Steam errors without needing anything more advanced. If the issue still appears, you can repeat the steps and try a different download region, since some servers may be overloaded while others are working normally. The main thing is to let Steam rebuild its download connection with a fresh cache and a better server selection. So to quickly recap, open Steam, go to Settings, open Downloads, change the download region, clear the download cache, and restart Steam. That's one of the easiest and safest fixes to try first when Steam throws an error message. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick fixes and gaming help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.